guys, BStacker79 here, and I just want to tell you guys that I started cubing in the beginning of 2019, and I got a Rubik's Cube. I broke it, and then I got a new one now in August, right? School started, so I got a new one. And I'm not as good as me in speed stacking, so you know I'm bad. I think my best record was 1 minute and 8 seconds, I believe. Not too sure, but that's what I remember right now. All right. So I'm gonna show you guys me cubing. I only like played Rubik's Cube and solved it for like 1 month after the Rubik's Cube broke. So then I haven't had a chance to touch it. Now it's fresh off the box, pretty new. The sound, that's it. The spins are nice. Alright, I'm gonna mix it up. Don't worry, I can't remember. I have really bad memory. If you guys didn't know it, I have a short-term memory loss, so if it's something that I remember, like I just did like a few seconds ago or like a few hours or minutes ago, I wouldn't remember it. And of course, I remember that I made this video, but sometimes I would just forget after a few hours or so if I pretend, like for example, I asked my mom like I told my mom this actually happened once. This is a true story. I told my mom to come and see the new watermark I made on my YouTube video. By the way, you can see it right in the right corner, in the bottom right corner. And then after I asked her, and then after like 2 hours, I asked her like, did I show you my watermark on YouTube? She was like, of course you did. That happened not just once, by the way. So I'm not sure what's wrong with me, but something in my memory gone wrong. So yeah. Alright, I'm done mixing. I don't even know what I'm doing. Alright. I don't know how much time we have for inspection, so I'm just gonna look around and take as much time as I want actually though. Alright, I think I got it. Already messed up with a bad start, but it's okay. Okay, I already messed up. My fingers went somewhere. Oops. Off to a bad start already, but it's alright. Me coming back in a few months doing this good is alright. Oh, the cube does like what is called get stuck, but anything else, the Rubik's Cube is fine. Or it's just my fingers that are bad at spinning the cube. Oh no, I messed it up. Oh, I overturned one. I did 6 instead of 5 of the righty, or I meant lefty algorithm. This is probably one of the worst time solves, but hey, I just got back from cubing. I mean, from so many months of cubing. 146. It's not good. It's not bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix it up again, so you guys don't have to see it. Alright guys, I got it. Yeah. So I don't know my inspection time, but no, still the same thing. Alright, flip it over. Seems alright. Okay. Well, I lost it. Guys, I'm just not good at speed cubing, but like I'm good at solving a Rubik's Cube. Not fast, but like slow. I think I just messed up. Whatever. Try that again. Alrighty. Oh. My fingers. No. Alright, my time is really bad right now, but like I don't worry about time right now. As you can tell. Oh no. Alright, it's a better time. I mean, 1:19. I think that's a good one. It's a pretty good time. Sorry, the reflection, but it's 1 minute 19 seconds and 58 and 583. Yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna do 2 solves today, and I just did it. So yeah, I'm not good. I'm not bad at speed cubing. So yeah, bye guys.